Oh my god, too much hot, man.
Yes, bro. Too much hot.
Yeah, man. Hey, why are those Arabs coming towards us, man? What if they talk in Arabic with us?
Bro, do you know Arabic?
No, man, I don't know.
Then why did you go to school? Didn't they teach you Arabic?
Man, in Arabic period, I only eating chips every time. Hey, you know Arabic?
No.
Why you're wearing kandura then? Remove.
السلام عليكم.
Salam, bro.
شحالكم؟ شعلومكم؟
Hey, what he said, man, I don't know.
يا الربع ممكن تساعدونا متوهقين يا الربع والله.
قاعدين ندور على مكان يصلح فيه الموت، احنا جايين من الشارجة وما نعرف المكان هذا صراحة، ابى مساعدكم.
What is this, man?
خلا بلا علي جعلي عبد الله خلا علي
I think he will spit any moment.
No, bro. I think he will choke and die.
Yes, correct. فهمتوا؟
understand.
Chumma didn't understand anything.
Total portion morning thing
اقول لكم كان يصيحون ويلات؟
شنو البترول بعد ما خلص عندهم؟
in the portal
ايه الو.
hello pare alhamdulillah we finished pare alhamdulillah aku ya
ikinagagala ka pa makilala kayo, magandang gabi.
ايه شو غبي؟
انت غبي. وش نق يبون نقانق هي؟
يا اخي شو عندكم انتم؟
Ay nako, ayaw katingang kariw. You only asking for help.
Salamat, paalam po.
Living.
يلا جماعة الخير ساعدونا.
Sadhana, bro.
All this for sadhana. See, I know two sadhanas. One is his ex-girlfriend, one is his neighbor. Which one do you want?
صادنا؟
سادنا منو؟
Minu?
Minu, man, tell one thing. You want sadhana or you want Minu? What is this?
يا اخي انت مو بفاهم؟ نقول لك ساعدنا يا ولد الحلال.
Oh, sadhana not halal. She is number one haram girl. Ask him. You tell.
Oh, sadhana. Her stories are famous everywhere.
يس كركت. يا اخي شو قاعد يتفلسف هذا؟
خلاص اخوي سامحنا نحن بنتوكل.
Samihna. Samina. First sadhana, then Minu. Now Samina.
Oh, now I know what they wanted.
What?
They wanted these three girls' numbers. I know Arabic. I am telling you, you guys don't know anything, man. What is this?